The field of tech analysis is always believed that it's for traders. Actually, you know what? It's also valid for investors. It's just that you have to look at it in a different way. What I have taken as a determination, as a vision, that every single household in India who invests should have one family member who understands the science of tech analysis. That's where I launched this program, Stock Trading 101. 960 plus people have already attended this program with an incredible feedback. If you really want a value for money learning of tech analysis with only 100 rupee a day for 30 days, all you need to invest is 30 minutes with us every day. And I promise you that you will learn tech analysis like no one else has ever done. So join this new batch number 5, going to be launched very soon.